Hello everyone, this is Raj. Welcome to TechFerment. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Vue.js conditions. Like we can apply if-else logic in Vue.js. So let's see how we can implement. Here we have a Vue instance. So let's create our data. Let's say a is equal to 34 and we can print the data in the p tag. So here we have a p tag and we'll use double curly braces and then we can pass the value or the variable name. So this is 34. And now we can apply the conditions if and else related conditions. So we need to use if block, and here we can pass the property or the condition JavaScript expressions. So let's say I'll write a JavaScript expression is a is more than 30 and this p tag will be visible. So right now this condition is true because this will give you the true because the value of a is more than 30. And if I'll write the condition, let's say a is more than 40, so this condition is not visible. Similarly, we can write we can write av if else, and here we can apply the property. Let's say a is equal to more than 40. So here we can write value of a is less than 30. So right now we are getting this particular output just because of here we can print the variable or we can pass that's it 30, and then we are getting this particular output. Like just because of the right now the value of a is less than 40 and we are not getting this particular output, we are getting this particular p tag, so that's why we are visible. Or let's create another logic. So what I'll do here, we can create a div section and here we can create a paragraph, and then this one is for the Laura Plipson. So what I'll do here, we can define v if, and then we create a variable visible is visible. Okay, and then here we can define the value. So is visible is equal to true, so this is by default true and we are getting this particular output. If I change the value of this particular div, so here we have a false and this one is not visible. So what I'll write here, we have a value of a visible, and then let's create a button. So what I'll do, I'll create a button and then we can write show and hide div, and then we can perform the actions. We'll use v hyphen on click. So I'll right click and then we can write the method name. So this is my method name is show hide data. Okay, so hide data. So this is a method name, so I will define this method inside this particular block, and then here what will be the value of is visible not equal to this dot is visible, and that's it. So when I click on this particular button, it will hide and it will show the data. So this is how we can implement v if and v else in Vue.js, and the condition you can implement, it's totally up to you how you can perform the logic. So that's all from my end. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, you can ask your question in the comment section.